told me 9 broken ribs, broken pelvis, 2 broken hips, 2 shattered legs, the compound fractures, broken toes, broken sternum, fractured sternum, broken shoulders, collarbone. When I went up to the ward, it all hit me how bad it was, because I was laid, I couldn't move, I couldn't turn over, I couldn't do anything. I was just laid on my back, not being able to do anything. I went in for an assessment. I was actually having 2 weekly sessions. Because when I first went, I couldn't walk at all. I was struggling really bad, and I've come on so. He's so good, is David. I think it's as well because he's been through it himself. He's had a really bad accident where he broke both his legs, and he had compound fractures, and he were in the metal cages around his legs and his hip. So he knows exactly as well what I need. So it's been amazing. Yeah, I've been seeing Romy. I see her, it's down to once a month now, so, and that were once a week. So, yeah, I feel better there, and I don't have the night terrors anymore. I still have trouble sleeping, and I do have panic attacks sometimes, but not as bad as they were at the beginning. And I think they'll gradually disappear the stronger I become. I went on the internet and I looked, and I went through loads of solicitors, and nothing appealed to me. And when Hudgell's popped up, and I went through everything, and I read, it puts on what they can do and what they can't do, and I thought, this is the solicitor that I'm going to go with. I would recommend Hudgell's to everybody for anything. Sam's been really, really good. He has. I don't know where I'd be if it hadn't been for him. He's done everything for me. Not even, half the time I don't even have to ask, he just knows what I need. And he always sends me a text message when I've got any appointments and say, good luck, any problems, ring me. Always, no matter what appointment I've got, he sends me a message. Just said to Sam, we're thinking of moving because I can't, and I'm thinking of finding a bungalow somewhere easier. And then he says to me, when you do, he said, just give me a ring. And I rung him, and I said, we found a bungalow we like. He went, all right then. And then he rung me back a couple of days later, and he said, I've been talking to Neil's Aviva. He said, he wants to give you £200,000 towards the property and anything that you might need doing. I couldn't speak on the phone, mate. I've got a new shower fit. It's 1,000 by 1,000. I've got the shower chair in. The toilet's a disability toilet, so it's higher. So I don't need to have the raisers anymore. And like the bath, I have the bath cushion if I want to get in the bath. It's all special non-slip tiles, so I don't need to have bath mats on the floor if I don't want. The kitchen is as well. That's all special non-slip tiling on the floor. We had it all opened up to make it easier because there were 2 rooms. I'm lucky. I've had everybody I've had, and I'll keep fighting because they're fighting for me, so I'll fight back. All I can do now is look forward, and that's what I'm going to do. Don't look back.